Okay, and then to do the cool down, okay, for the cool down, this one, we'll have this, okay. Actually, the suggestions is like you can have the extra image toward it as a children. So for this fire button, okay, you can make it like the image overlay toward it. So you can make it bigger size and make it the gray color, okay. So add this for your all your images, okay. So you can make it transparency by changing the alpha here, okay. So you have the transparency. Okay, and then you will see this image, okay. You can add the image to it. You already have. So image, okay, and then you, okay, so choose this one. You make it gray. Or we check another image which like uh, we're covering it, okay, we're covering it using the things, okay. Or you have a gray colors like for your icon, okay. Change your type to fill, so you can see when you do adjustment filling it will like this, okay. So do this for the others lah, okay. Same thing, open for your others, okay. Add the image toward it, image, okay. Same thing, we put it the background here, make it bigger size, okay. And then you make it the colors lah, white or gray, so it depends lah. So this one, right click, UI image, and then the gray colors, okay. And then your background, okay, make it bigger size like this, huh? So after that, okay, you just add this code to your scale down, cool down. So for your button, which is your button, okay, and then your cool down, okay. So it will be fill the amounts lah, okay, when you use the scale, okay. So it will be have the running the cooling down lah. So you copy this skill cooldown function, copy, and then put it in your code here, your script, okay. Right click, create for your scripting, this one, skill cooldown, okay. You can copy this code and place it to it, Okay, so replace this code. Okay, so you put the buttons reference skill and then your image cooldown overlay. So me said how many times so this one is how many cooling times that you can fill in. Okay, different skill you can put it different cooldown time. Okay, so now the starting field is 0. Okay, we waiting for placing the skill button. Okay, that button we want to inactive them. So if the skill is used already. So we finish the cool time. Okay, cooler times. Okay, it will be cooler time divided timer divided by the times lah. So the cool power time if we have 5. Okay, so it will be fill how many amount percentage of it. So if less than and equals to 0, so the cooldown will become false lah. Okay, so means that the skill button can be play. You can click your button. It's not cooling down times lah. So now the fuel amount will be 0. So if it's not if after you use the skill, okay, so skill used already, so your cooldown will be true lah. So it will slowly cool down and then your button it cannot click. So now your cooldown amounts will be 1. Okay, so we are using this skill button. Okay, so attach this code to your all of your skill lah. So means that all of your skill they have the different purpose. So this one drag skill cooldown for each of your skill. So each of the skill you can make the cooldown time difference lah. So for example, this one you just want 3 seconds, and this one you want just drag all the skill to all your places. Okay, this one. Okay, so maybe this one cooldown time will be 10 seconds. Okay, so which button you want to limit them? So this is the button. So for lightings, and this one is for eyes. Okay, for this one, I put it here. See? Okay, drag it, pull down here. You place here better lah. Okay, cooldown overlay is replaced with this one. The button is this one. Okay, so the eyes button. So this one is the eyes overlay button. So the lighting. Okay, can remove this one. Okay, here we'll have the lightning button and overlay button right now. So you can test your code. Okay, so now you're clicking. So now the cooldowns are. So this one. Oh, okay. So remember, you need to have the image. We change it as view. Okay, we change it as view. Okay, so now run again. Okay, so this one. So like this. So now you can cool down your timers.